Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. On this video I am making a quick jollof rice. I'm not a jollof rice fan, by the way. I am fried rice fan, but today I'm just going to make this jollof rice. On this pot, as you can see, I've fried my onions and I'm adding my tomatoes, stew, and my blend tomato, sorry. And I'm going to be adding all the ingredients from the what is it called, ginger puree, to my grey fish, as well as some cube. I'm using not cube, and I've just added a meat stock. I'm going to turn this, I'm going to stir it, sorry, and allow it to simmer for a while. And over here on this pot I have my golden basmati rice, which I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to boil it for like about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it thoroughly. So here guys, here is my tomato stew. Is really boiling very well. I've already added all of the ingredients that I'm going to be that I needed to go into this tomato stew. I'm going to cover it back again to simmer for a while. So now I'm going to add some meat. Over here I've got some assorted meat. I've got chicken, beef, and yeah, that is what is here. So I'm going to add some into this tomato stew, and I'll see add again when this jollof rice is ready. So here, as you can see on the sink, I'm just going to rinse this rice, boiled rice, and I'm going to be using a different pot. I'm going to use this pot that I'm using to parboil this rice now, because I don't want my food to get burnt. I'm going to transfer this tomato stew into this new pot so that it can cook very well. I'm just going to stir it together, combine the tomatoes stew together with the rice, and I will be covering it to cook for a while. I'm just going to allow it to cook for a while. Yes, look at that, it's cooking really well. I'm going to turn it. I don't want to turn it up to the bottom of the pot because I don't want it to get burned. Look at that. I love this vibrant color that comes with a jollof rice, but I'm not fan of jollof rice, to be honest with you. I am fan of fried rice. Let me know on the comment section which one do you like best, jollof rice or fried rice. So I'm adding some chicken and beef now to go with this jollof rice, because the food is almost ready. I'm just going to combine it thoroughly together to make sure that all the ingredients are well mixed in. I love it. Look at that, it tastes so delicious. I love it. Look at the color. This what makes jollof rice is the color. It speaks for itself. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and I will really appreciate you. I'll see you next time.